What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the video. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Here I am with the 2024 Lexus IS 500 F Sport, and this is the one with the V8 engine. It is the last of a dying breed. One of the last compact sedans that you can get with a V8. This one's got some awesome matte black wheels. Of course, F Sport badging all over. Nice blacked out mirrors. A nice gloss black trunk lid spoiler, nice gloss black bumper and diffuser, and check out these diagonal quad exhaust. I mean, that just looks sick. So I think everyone's biggest gripe with the IS is the outdated interior. I mean, this is like maybe 10 years old, this design. When they redesigned the outside of the car, they didn't really do much on the inside to change it. So this is a pretty old Lexus wheel. Infotainment is updated, so at least that's good, but all the switch gear and everything, this is all pretty old. Trackpad as well. But I think a lot of people can see past that because of the performance that this car delivers. Now, as far as the materials, like up here, it's soft touch, but it still kind of has a hardness to it. It's all hard plastic there at the bottom, and I already gave my spiel on this. So I feel like the performance would be the reason that you buy this car, unless you really just don't care too much about technology. I mean, at least the seats are very comfortable, but there's nothing really impressive about this interior. So without further ado, let's get into this test drive. Man, that engine note is incredible. This is a very fun car to drive. This thing launches you the same way an electric car does. Oh my God. Now the suspension has a sport tuning, so it's not the smoothest, but oh man, the road feel paired with the engine is fantastic. And it really launches you when you have it in that manual mode. And aside from just the engine noise, this is a Lexus at the end of the day, so outside noise, when you just have it in normal driving mode, it's very quiet. Still, as sporty as this car is, it doesn't lose its luxury DNA. And I'm very glad that this car is still around. Not exactly sure for how much longer, but let's enjoy it while it's here, you know? So now, as I head back down the mountain, we're gonna take a quick listen to the Mark Levinson audio system. I'm actually going to lower the window so you can hear some more of this engine. The steering is just a little bit on the light side. I like it to be slightly heavier, but man, it works. And it works good. Very nice composed handlings on these sharp turns. It is impossible to replicate the feel and the sound of a V8. So that's going to wrap up this quick test drive of the Lexus IS 500 F Sport. At this driving event, we only get about 20 minutes with each car, so I have to make things quick, and I can't really spend enough time with the car to really give a full analysis on the way it drives, but I'm doing the best I can. If you enjoyed this video, please share with a friend and subscribe. It'll really help the channel grow. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Let me know down in the comments what other vehicles you want to see on the channel next, and be sure to follow @Optical Automotive on TikTok and Instagram, and check out the page on Facebook. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Man, this person's slow.